why I'm showing you these images, because if I go on Google, okay, let me type the same keyword, let's say buy shoes online, you will not see any ad, because there is no shopping allowed in Delhi NCR, or there is some few people are running it. I don't know why, because they can't deliver it, and they're running ads. These are known as shopping ads. Okay. Why shopping ads? First of all, why these are ads? Because it is sponsored. That means these are ads, and any ad on search engine. This is a search engine, Google. If any ad is coming on search engine with an image, that is a shopping ad. And this shopping ads are only for e-commerce. And apart from that, you see these results also here, Myntra, Flipkart, where there is no ad. So what kind of digital advertising is this? This is organic results, correct? And the technique to come rank on these results is SEO, search engine optimization. I hope everyone knows SEO.
Yes.
Okay, SEO is primarily search engine optimization. In this technique, what we do is we optimize our website or specific pages so that Google can think that this is the best page for this particular keyword, not for all the keywords, and not for everywhere in the world in India, because Myntra provides it in India. Okay, so that is what this website, this technique is. So you can rank on certain keywords in a specific location at specific time. That technique is SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, so you know about now two methods. What could be the third method? Third method of improving your visibility is banner ads like this. Okay, Economic Times is giving a master class. Okay, online training on crisis of supply chain management, which and you can click and check. This is visibility. Oh my God, it's horrible. Okay, these ads are also run by multiple parties, not Google. Right now, we are on Times of India. Times of India has its own network of running their own ads. Apart from that, on Times of India itself, there is no ad. Just a second. Okay, you see over here, Pioneer Japan OLED. This is an ad by Google. So these ads are being run by Google and other networks. Facebook also run ads on other websites. Times of India also run their ads on their own website as well as other websites. So this is another form of marketing known as display marketing, display ads. In Google, you can run it on more than 3 million websites. Apart from that, other networks are Facebook, on which you can run it on various other websites. You can run it, if you want to run it on Times of India, then you have, you can contact them as well. And there are other platforms also. So this is third method of marketing, that is display advertising. Everywhere you go where there is a content site, you will find that these ads were displayed, and these website owners make money out of it as